purpose of this Revit tutorial is to explain how to create a dormer in Revit. This existing structure already has a shed style dormer out back, but we want to add a gable dormer out front. I already have my knee walls here, so I'm going to go over to wall, and length of these walls, not important at this time. I'm going to show you later on how to go back and edit those. So I'm going to build my 3 walls. While I'm here, I can put in 3 windows. So these windows are going to let in a lot of light. The dormer is going to give them some extra floor space and allow the homeowner to see the driveway from inside the second floor. Let's go back to 3D view. So there's my walls. Looks like I forgot to set my top constraint. So I'm going to highlight my walls, go to Properties tab. Let's take the top constraint to level 3 and hit apply. Next thing I'm going to do is add my roof. Okay. Again, they're looking for a gable dormer. So I'm going to make sure I set that up. I'm going to go over to my Architecture tab, select Roof by Footprint. I'm going to change it to level 3. And now I want to make sure that I select Define Slope before I select my left and right walls, that I uncheck Define Slope when I select my front wall. Now this little area here is just reminding me that these 2 boundary lines are not connected, so I'm going to select Unjoin Elements. Now I can just highlight that border and drag that little blue dot down so that they do connect. Of course, I don't have a wall in the back, so I can just use a detail line to connect the 2. And also, I need to set my correct slope. So I'm going to change that from a 9 to a 5 for this particular project. And select the green check mark. Okay. There's the roof. Next thing I want to do is attach these walls to my roof. So I select my wall, attach top base, then select the roof. Okay. Of course, my roof doesn't connect. So what I need to do is go to my Modify tab. And it's important that I use Join Roof, not the normal join tool. If I use the normal join tool, I'll have a problem a little bit later on. Okay, so now you see the roof looks good, but I need to edit this wall. So I'm going to go to my right side view here. I'm going to select this wall and I want to hit Edit Profile. Okay. So now I can change any of these lines. So I'm going to go from here, go up along. Now I can just, again, grab this little blue dot, extend it over, and I can take this, grab the blue dot, bring it up, bring this down, select the green check mark. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same for this left side. Again, select the wall, edit profile, and then it's pretty much just a matter of connecting a few dots. And green check mark. Oh, let's take a look. I'm getting a little error message here. Oh, forgot to grab this one. There we go. Now you see how these walls are white on the outside? That must mean that I have the exterior set incorrectly. So I highlight the wall. Oh, those little two blue arrows should point to the exterior of the wall. Yep. And that one's already correct. Okay, so let's go back to 3D view. Oh, good. That looks better. Now you'll see that I can still see the roof inside the dormer. So what I need to do is go to my architecture tab, select dormer opening, and then just start selecting walls. So I'm going to cut the opening in this roof. And now I highlight the walls. And this can be a little tricky, so I got to make sure I'm paying attention to those blue lines. And let's turn over here. Select this wall as well. Drag the little dots. And again, for the top, I'm just going to select my roof line to close that shape. Let's select green check mark. And there I cut the hole in the roof. So I hope that helped you out with creating a dormer in Revit. Thanks for watching.